बोलिए सद्गुरु महाराज जी की जय, सच्चे दरबार की जय. Today we present weekly satsang from Akhand Gyan from the monthly magazine of Divya Jyoti Jagati Sansthan, and it is inspired by His Holiness Shri Ashutosh Maharaj Ji. This article is taken from December 2011. Today's topic is worldliness and spirituality. Worldliness is seemingly attractive and common man is easily drawn towards it. If we say that human life is woven with the threads of worldliness, it won't be perhaps termed as exaggeration. Most of the people are of the opinion that it is very objective of human life to achieve worldly wealth and pleasures. That is why people can be seen everywhere running helter and skelter to gain and achieve it. Name, fame, honor, rather everything is positively linked with the achievement of this objective. In fact, it is considered to be the parameter of success. A life is successful if one has achieved maximum wealth and worldly pleasures. These so called successful people gain maximum respect from fellow human beings. However, the truth is altogether different. Let's consider and analyze the things. In reality, human personality is a two pronged notion, the outer and the inner aspect of personality. Outer personality is based on looks and appearance, but all of us have most often heard a phrase that appearances are mostly deceptive. Things look very rosy when they have magnetic appearance. A man's clothes, luxurious living, demeanors, style, and smile, and his artful presentation of himself combine together to make his outer personality. People are impressed, charmed, and often stupefied by such magnetic personalities. These people are held in high esteem and they often succeed in reaching a high rank and gaining a big status. The inner aspect of our personality is, however, quite different. It includes virtues of honesty, nonviolence, truth, determination, courage, inclination to sacrifice for the good of others, sense of justice, and acumen to fight against odds and tyrannical ways of exploiters. Above all, it includes positivity and spirituality. People groomed at this front of personality have their thinking and actions rightly directed. Their choices are always based on wisdom and sensitivity for others. Such human beings possess the power of the soul as they follow the footsteps of saints and perfect masters. They pray and meditate and practice spirituality and goodness. These things make a real and a rare personality. Those who possess the inner personality are remembered generations after generations, but those who possess only the outer personality and miss out the inner one are soon forgotten by the masses. Thus, the choice has to be made between worldliness and spirituality. When measured, spirituality is far more meaningful and substantial. Spirituality without worldliness is saintly, and worldliness without spirituality is simply devilish. A harmonious blend of worldliness and spirituality is truly humane. So, we, the ordinary people, are required to strike a balance between these two. We can't afford to adopt one and forego the other completely. Our efforts must be directed towards a sweet, comfortable, and workable blend of worldliness and spirituality. With this, I will be ending my words. To listen to more such articles, please subscribe to our monthly magazine Akhand Gyan, available in three languages: Hindi, English, and Punjabi. You can also subscribe to this monthly magazine by clicking on the link mentioned in the description box. बोलिए सद्गुरु महाराज जी की जय, सच्चे दरबार की जय.